Is there a boy crisis? Boys and men across the world are struggling. They're struggling at school, they're struggling at work, and they're struggling at home. Statistical data supports the premise that too many males are in crisis. In our workshop, Boys in Crisis, Why It Matters and What Can You Do About It, we identify the core causes as well as the possible solutions to the crisis. We focus on three core concepts. One, cognitive development. That's all about the brain. We look at the brain, we examine the brain, we talk about how male and female brains are similar and different, and we identify that and move forward with it. Second core concept we talk about is social development of boys. Here we look at primarily the boy code. Why do boys choose to do what they do? And part of that is the social development that we again call the boy code. Third thing we look at in our workshop is the emotional development of boys. Boys and girls have the same emotions, males and females have the same emotions. We males just tend to manifest them differently. We don't necessarily want support when we're emotionally upset. We want to be left alone. And last but not least, in our workshop, we tend to and want to make sure we answer this universal question about males. What was he thinking and why did he do that? Please join us at our Boys in Crisis workshop in person or on our webinars.